morning, everyone. I am Rhea May Mulana Opiar, and I will be talking about my advocacy and campaign. Thank you for gathering today to discuss an issue that affects us all. The state of education is our community. Every child deserves a quality education, yet many face obstacles that hinder their learning. We must advocate for increased funding for our school, equitable resources for all students, and support our dedicated teachers. Education is the cornerstone of our future, and it's essential that we ensure every child has access to the tools they need to succeed. I urge you to join me in raising awareness and in pushing for policy change that will improve our educational system. Together, we can make a difference and create a brighter future for our children. I'm excited to introduce our School First campaign and aim at revitalizing our local school and enhancing the educational experience for our students. Our schools are the heart of community, and it's time we invest in them. This campaign will focus on raising funds for update technology, improving classroom facilities, and providing curricular programs that foster creativity and critical thinking, but we need our help to make this vision a reality. I invite you all to get involved, whether through volunteering for events, contributing to our fundraising efforts, or simply spreading the word about our mission. Let's unite as community to ensure the school provide the equality education that every child deserves. Together, we can create an inspiring environment for learning and growth. Thank you.